In front of us here sits the Box Sonos Era 100 speakers, and they are a wireless Alexa-enabled smart speaker. And before we do a sound test, I would like to go over some of its cool features. But first, let's take a look at what's inside the box. As you can see here, I purchased the 2-pack, so it comes with instructions, obviously, 2 power cables and 2 devices. And what I like about this speaker is its compact design. I mean, you can put it anywhere on a side table, on a bookshelf like you can see there in a common area. So with this speaker, you can stream wirelessly over Wi-Fi. You can connect it via Bluetooth. Right here, you can see I'm setting up the app. So to connect it to Bluetooth, you just want to hit that button on the unit and then configure your device.
Now for the moment we've been waiting for, the sound test.
Pretty little peacock with your little wheat, trying to get attention from my girl. She rock, she talk, real talk, you talk, poppycock, A-spot, go flock, out there, door dock, knock, knock, who's there? No substance can, don't make me get my get back. You rat and paint your cap orange, cause she just said that you want you pretty
Peacock,
pretty
peacock,
pretty
peacock,
you're a peacock pretty
peacock.
Since I have 2 of these speakers, I will pair them, and that'll give me an even wider soundscape, but that's for another video. Now, overall, the Sonos 100 Era 100 speakers, they sound amazing. And yes, they are pricey, but in my opinion, they are well worth the investment. And with the Wi-Fi capabilities and integration with Alexa and Home Assistant, you can take your music listening experience to a whole new level. Thank you for watching.